The all-new Samsung Galaxy A57 5G is finally here, and trust me, this is the mid-range beast everyone has been waiting for. Samsung has taken its popular A series to the next level in 2026, combining premium design, powerful performance, and flagship-like features at an affordable price. Let's start with the design. The Galaxy A57 5G features a sleek glass back with a refined matte finish that feels incredibly premium in hand. The slim metallic frame and ultra-thin bezels give it a modern flagship vibe. The phone sports a stunning 6.7-inch Super AMOLED Plus display with Full HD Plus resolution and a super smooth 120Hz refresh rate. Whether you're scrolling social media, gaming, or watching YouTube, the visuals are vibrant, sharp, and buttery smooth. Samsung's display quality remains unmatched in this segment. Under the hood, the Galaxy A57 5G is powered by a powerful next-generation 5G chipset paired with 8GB RAM and up to 256GB storage. Multitasking feels effortless, apps open instantly, and heavy games run without lag. Thanks to improved AI optimization, performance is smoother and more power efficient than ever. If you're someone who loves gaming or streaming, this phone will not disappoint. Now let's talk about the camera, because Samsung knows how to impress. The Galaxy A57 5G features a 64-megapixels OIS main camera that captures stunningly detailed and sharp photos, even in low light. Optical image stabilization ensures blur-free shots and stable videos. Alongside it, you get an ultra-wide lens for landscape photography and a macro lens for close-up creativity. The 32-megapixels front camera delivers crisp selfies with natural skin tones, perfect for content creators and social media lovers. Battery life. Absolutely massive. The phone packs a huge 6,000 mAh battery that easily lasts more than a full day on heavy use. Whether you're gaming, streaming, or browsing, this device keeps up with your lifestyle. And with 45W fast charging support, you can power up quickly and get back to action in no time. Samsung also includes Android 16 with the latest One UI version, offering a smooth, customizable, and secure user experience. Features like in-display fingerprint scanner, stereo speakers, 5G connectivity, and enhanced security make this device future-ready. In conclusion, the Samsung Galaxy A57 5G 2026 is a perfect combination of style, power, and reliability. It delivers flagship-level features at a mid-range price, making it one of the best smartphones of 2026. If you're planning to upgrade your device this year, the Galaxy A57 5G should definitely be on your list. Stay tuned to upcoming Smartphones Hub for more exciting smartphone reviews and latest tech updates. Rocket Cell Phone Fire.